Just lift it up there, let me see it.
Well, it's the first time we ever did on a bola. What do you think's
Lift it
gonna
up there,
happen?
let me see it.
Ari, come. Take this like a champion and say, oh God. Burn City. Yours is gonna burn too, you chump.
You can cut the cheese.
Please. You know what cut the cheese means?
What? What that's supposed to mean?
That means fart.
What's up guys? My name is Dillon Douglas. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, turn on post notifications. While you're down there, like the video. I'm up in a report heist and I'm gonna have lunch. My lunch is me making my own mini pizza and the mountain view is right behind me. And I hope you enjoy this video.
And today we are at a report cottage and we're gonna cook some pizza on this no clue. So we just making the fire and stuff. And right now I'm just gonna decorate my pizza. Guys, this is my pizza dough and this is the tomato sauce. And I'm gonna spread it on my pizza with a spoon. Let's get right on to it.
Baby girl, smell that.
That smells good. I think that's all I need. I don't know. And guys, if you wonder why we have all these 5 plates here, is because we all making our own pizza. And I'm gonna make mine different. This is beef salami slices. So this is, I think this is mozzarella cheese. Daddy just cut it. So this is, I don't know.
Let me help you get it on where it should be.
Why is that bad? I can't see. So now we have the fire rolling. Kinda small, but that's good for me. Now, who's going next? Anyone?
Who's next?
I will.
Twinny?
Let my twin.
This one here. Spread a little bit on. I'll cut you some cheese.
No, nobody. So where you putting your salami? Right there? The man need extra. Nice.
You gotta pay attention to yours there, Eric.
Darius is finished. Okay, you go next. Come. Yeah. Look at pizza him. Kaponya. Oh. You need more? Put cheese? No, put the pepperoni first. Oh.
If you guys think you have a dynamite pizza, check my pizza out. Oi! Sausage, beef, salami, mozzarella cheese, plenty sauce.
Ew, what's that?
Mushrooms.
That look nasty.
That look
like a worm.
No, that looking like you, Dillon.
But not looking like a good worm to eat. So guys, I'm ready to make my mini pizza. As you can see, my sister one was burnt. I hope that doesn't happen to mine. Wait, with the sauce.
This bust already.
Where the sauce?
Oh God, he busts. He bust.
Whee. So I am now spreading my pizza around. The sauce around my pizza. Hoping that I get enough. The sauce tastes good. Now time to add ingredients. Pepperoni. Some cheese. And some sausages. Just dump a couple around here. And my pizza done. Guys, it is now my turn to cook my pizza.
Oh God, here we go. It'll be burnt like a. It'll be burnt. So you'll burn the top, not just the bottom. That'll be funny. Let me stoke up the fire so we get real flames flying.
I rather slow cook it.
Dad, I realize you just cooking your pizza really fast. Really fast.
I want to see Dillon cry. I want to see if we can stoke up his fire real good and then have him cry because his pizza's on fire. All right, put your pizza on.
Hallelujah. What's that? What's this stuff on my tin?
Well, they mines. They mines, boy.
Really?
That's your sister's.
I did not know that.
Not very good.
Look, mine. Mine even better.
The man touching my pizza and thing.
What's this stuff on it?
Fly droppings.
Time to cook. Any moving?
It doesn't leave it. What?
Wait, Daddy, look at who's in your head. Wait.
No, you can't do cook. Watch.
Let's check the pizza. Getting a little black there. Need a little more cooking though. So my father has now decided to take out my pizza for me because it is done and it looks better than his, obviously.
It actually looks good. I have to admit, this pizza looks good.
Have to get a plate. Wait, you have plates?
I got a plate.
Yeah,
Put
boy.
my pizza on, please.
Yeah, boy, look at that. That look hot. But it look good. Oh, that's such a full. So I am now going to eat this. This ain't good. It's a little burnt too. Although it is really good. Bye.